Hi and welcome back for this new video, and today it's a tag video, and you know how much I love tag video because I think it's always nice to have different point of view concerning one topic. It's always interesting to hear some other stories. And I was tagged by the sweet Eva from the channel Fuchsia Floyd. She has done a collaboration video, tag video, with Melissa from Melissa Wade. Everything will be linked. Have a look at their channel and of course at their video. It's super interesting. They have amazing bags. Seriously, they are super cute. So please consider subscribing to their channel. It's worth it. And the tag is about the bag we think almost perfect. We are giving them a 9 out of 10. But there's just, something, a tiny detail that make them not having a 10 out of 10. And I was tagged so by Eva, and of course I wanted to participate because here next to me I've got several bags that I love. I love them, I'm completely crazy about them. But yes, maybe we can still improve them. So let's talk about it. Just before I start, if you do not know me, I'm bag passionate. Welcome to my channel. I'm a French bag collector, completely crazy about bags and Longchamp addict. So if you love bags discussion, I do think you are at the right place. I'm making videos in English and French, my mother language. So please enjoy them and consider subscribing if you love my content. If you're a returning subby and you love my video and you still look at them, thanks a million for your support. Love you guys. So yes, guys, as I told you, around me I've got several bags that I love and I do recommend them, seriously. But yes, we can still improve them because I'm giving this bag a 9 out of 10, but maybe I've got an idea to increase and make a 10 out of 10. The very first bag, okay, I show them to you all, you will understand. These are my Foulonné crossbody zipped. This is the M size and this is the S size. I got 4 of them because, guys, they are just, yes, they are nearly perfect. They are perfect. The leather, the Foulonné leather is amazing. Have a look at my video concerning the Foulonné leather explanation. It's a great leather, and okay, just to show you, so I place because it's not easy. I just having one in my hand. So this bag, the bigger or the smaller, they are just great. They have a good capacity. They are so easy to access to your item. You just unzip and everything, it's great. Yes, they are perfect. For me, they are perfect. I'm using them on a daily basis. So what's going wrong with them? So nothing, but just if Longchamp hears me and they want to improve them and reach the perfection, the thing is about the strap. As you can see, the strap is sewed and you can just adjust it to your length. And this will be cool. This will be really cool if they come with a new version. And here, for example, you have 2 hooks and it enables you to add another strap. Because, just an example, I recently bought this strap and look, it will be cool to make this combination. Of course, guys, I can attach because, as you can see, let me do it, it's not a problem, but I will have the 2 strap because this one, you cannot remove it. So yes, concerning this bag, they are perfect. Seriously, guys, they are perfect, but to make them even more perfect, it would be nice to have something here that makes the possibility to change the strap. By the way, the original strap is great, very comfy. The size is perfection on your shoulder for the bigger size and the smaller size. But yes, it's just my idea, my point of view. The second bag that once again nearly reached perfection is my Foulonné Tote bag. This bag unfortunately is no more produced, but you can still find some in your Longchamp boutique or resellers because they are going to sell them until they have stocks. But when no more stock will be available, you will no more find this bag, just for information. This bag is just great. It's lightweight, it has a great capacity. You can change the strap. It comes with a strap that you can change, and the strap is adjustable. So if you want to go wild, and as I just showed you, I bought this one and I can place it on this one. This is just great and easy to use. The thing to make this bag having a 10 out of 10, I would have loved that it comes with, you know, a key strap. Like in the past, most of the Longchamp bag has key strap, and that's the only thing I wish to find in this bag. Other than that, this bag reaches perfection. The third bag that is just great is this one. I already see that the light is changing. I apologize, my camera does have a problem with white bags, and so yes, yeah, if I go backwards, it's okay, so I will stay there. This is the Hobo bag from Longchamp, size M, in the Pliage XTRA line. And this bag is just great. Once again, great capacity, easy to use, lightweight. You can change the strap because you've got the hook, and for this one, I bought this one also when I want to have a crossbody style. So this bag is just insane, seriously, and the leather is just great. Just one thing that could help this bag is concerning this area. I would have loved, it would be a nice idea to add a pocket here, a zipped pocket. Because as you can tell, this bag got a nice capacity. It's not a gigantic bag, but it's a good bag. If we had a zip pocket here, for example, I'm closing my house, I'm closing my car, I place just the keys here and I close, and it will be okay. For the moment, I have to open my bag, and you understand what I mean. It would be easier to have just a little behind pocket. Other than that, I just said I love this bag. I'm so happy to have it. And once again, it's a bag I do recommend. Oh, I will just once again show you the inside, because the inside is just great. You've got zip pocket, flap pocket, and guys, you can bring so much stuff. I like it, and I also like the general aspect of the bag. So yes, maybe a behind pocket. The last bag I'm presenting you, I'm crazy about it. I'm crazy about it because it's chic, elegant, timeless, and so practical. I'm talking about my Longchamp box Trot. And yes, I love it. I seriously love it. And this bag, yes, nearly reaches the perfection. The leather is great, and yeah, I'm really crazy about it. This bag, and this is not something common at Longchamp. This bag comes with two straps, a longer one and a shorter one for a shoulder style. And yes, what can I say about this bag? Well, I can say something. It comes with two straps, but as you can see, this is the system to change the strap, and it's great because once you put it like a belt, it's secured and nothing will happen. Maybe I would have loved to have another system to put another strap, because in fact you can change between the two straps, but you cannot add another bag strap. And this is the only thing, this is the only point that makes this bag not having a 10 out of 10. Other than that, it's just crazy. But for example, okay, I just take this one, but if it was in another color, you understand, I think it would have been cool, to mix match. And yes, it would have been funny. But once again, I repeat, I do recommend this bag. I'm really crazy. It is a gem in my collection. Have a look again. And now guys, just for the pleasure, because I know you are here, you love bags, I'm going to show you two bags that, yes, for me, they are perfect. I know guys, all the bags I just show you, they are nearly perfect. I'm just searching the little tiny detail, but for me, they are already perfect. But the two I'm going to show you, they are really perfect. And I am talking about my Roseau. Yes, I know guys, a bunch of you don't like this bag because they feel it does not close properly. For me, they close properly, they are secured, and even the small size, because there's one small size, they can fit a bunch. They are super well made. You can change the strap, they come with a strap, but just to show you, last days I was carrying this one and I changed this strap. You see, it's just great. And this one comes with an inner pocket and they have the key strap, both of them. So I'm just going to show you, you see. So for me, there's one. They are perfect. Yes, I love them. Guys, I hope you like this tiny video. Thanks to Eva and Melissa for this idea of tag. It's just great. Thank you, girls. What can I say more? Write me in comment section and tell me what are your perfect bag or almost perfect, and explain to me what you would have changed or add to your bag to make it really perfect. If you love my contents, please, I do repeat, do consider subscribing, and let a comment also if you have any question you want to ask about Longchamp. I will be more than happy to answer you. Till the next video, take care guys, and we see us very soon. Bye bye.